Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be my first update for Project Polish 2018. I was going to do like every 2-month updates, and I was supposed to update at the end of February, but I wanted to go ahead and film this around the middle of the month because I have 2 empties. I knew that I wasn't going to have any more empties at the end of the month, and I wanted to go ahead and add in more polishes to work on. So if you are familiar with my Project Polish, the 2 empties are probably no surprise. I finished off the 2 that I had rolled over from last year. So the Ulta Beauty Mini in Peppermint, that is all gone. And then the Cult/Commerce, I think this was in Spell On. And through this, like holding it up to the light, you can see that they're completely empty. I know it's very difficult to see in like filming light like this, but they are completely empty and I'm really happy about that. So here is my current nail wheel. I have the 2 that I finished off marked off, and then you'll see I have the 3 that are still going, and then the 2 new ones that I'm adding in. So the first one that I still have going is this Revlon Colorstay in the shade Velvet Rope. And I didn't move it too much. I wasn't super focused on this one. I have applied it to my toes twice. And then I think I've worn it on the nails once or twice as well. This is going to be the next one that I put on my nails after I take this one off. But not too much, but no worries because I really love red and I can pan that really fast. The next one is the Hansen Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear in Gray Area. And I've made some really good progress on that. So I started at the top of where like the bottle starts to stop curving. And then I am right here. So pretty good progress on that. I've used this 3 times on the nails, I think. And so I think that's excellent progress for only using it like 3 times. And then the other one that I still have going is the Sephora by OPI in If You've Got It, Haunt It. And I think I've used this 2 or 3 times as well, and I'm down to here. Now the packaging is like narrowing in, so it's less product, and I think that I can work through this by the next update. Hopefully. We'll see. So the 2 polishes that I'm adding in since I finished off 2, the first one, they're both from Revlon Colorstay because I want to pan some of my non-cruelty-free nail polishes this year, but this one is in Vintage Rose, and this has barely been used. I think I maybe used it once. I think it's a little bit higher than this, but this is as high as I can mark. So I have it right at the top of the bottle before the neck happens. So yeah, this is a lot of polish to try and work on, but hopefully throughout the year I can work through that. And then my last polish is the Revlon Colorstay in Bold Sangria, and this is another purple that I'm adding in, and I am right here. So right through the word Revlon, if you can see that. But yeah, I love purple. I don't see any issue with using this and pairing it with all sorts of different things. I think that I will have a lot of fun with these polishes. So this is what the current shades that I'm working on looks like. This is a very me color palette, so I think that I can make some excellent progress. I will probably do another update in the middle to the end of April, maybe sooner depending on how my progress goes. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, that is it from me. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy Project Polish, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already so we can stay in touch, and hopefully I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye guys.